Hello, everybody. It's Connie at the Danville Public Library, and this is Watermelon Week. And if you look at our little YouTube video on Watermelon Week, you'll see there's your craft you're going to make. But what about fresh watermelon? Oh, for sure. What you do is use this butterfly or bug, it could be a bug, and what you do is you take a cheese stick, and I think I'm going to cut this cheese stick in half. There, I think he's going to be looking better. There he is. Just there's his little body or her little body. And then you need two triangles to look like they're flying, okay? There's your butterfly wing and there's your butterfly wing. Oh, maybe that should go another way, I think. Maybe, well, there you go. You can mix your wings any way you want. And I'm going to take a little bit of a pretzel and I'm going to give him a couple of eyes. There's one, and this is just a piece of a pretzel stick. There's the other one. And then this little butterfly needs an antenna. We'll put one there, and we'll put one here. And there you have your cute little butterfly with wings. Now, that's not the only thing that you can do with watermelon. If you have pretzel sticks and you have watermelon, you have a cool snack. Because believe it or not, pretzels and watermelon, they're good and they go together. But if you don't like pretzels and you happen to have a stick, well, you can make you a, let's get a big one. You can have a watermelon pop, okay? So you can make a butterfly, you can make a pretzel stick with watermelon, you can make a watermelon pop, or you can think of something of your own to make any kind of bug or critter that you want. So have fun with your watermelon. Don't forget, you'll need some paper towels because believe me, this watermelon is juicy and yours will be too. So have fun with your watermelon. And also, don't forget to do something with the other part of your cheese stick. Make something fun. Have a good time. We miss you. We'll hope to see you soon. Bye, guys.